Thank you, Dan. After 2 years in court, a Hamburg man is giving up his fight now with the state to retrieve the pet alligator that it seized from him. Channel 2's Dave McKinley spoke with the man's attorney, who says his client felt even if he ultimately won this case, it wouldn't be worth the eventual cost. David?
Scott, this latest chapter in the saga of Albert the Alligator is a bitter one for Tony Cavallaro, who kept the 750-pound reptile inside a room with an indoor pool in his Hamburg home for about 30 years until the state seized the animal in March of 2024, touching off a legal battle that made national headlines. Following the gator's seizure, which the state says was made because Cavallaro had failed for 3 years to obtain, under a more recently passed law, a needed dangerous animal license, Albert eventually was taken to a sanctuary in Beaumont, Texas. Just over a year ago, a judge gave the state 30 days to review Cavallaro's renewed application to keep Albert and said that if it didn't, it would automatically be renewed. The state asked the appellate division of state Supreme Court in Rochester for more time and then, last summer, denied Cavallaro's permit. The fight could have lasted longer, however.
It's been expensive, long, hard.
And against the state's limitless pockets, Cavallaro, according to his lawyer, found himself in the jaws of a difficult decision.
It's going to be another appeal, another year and a half of litigation. By that time, it's going to be 3.5, 4 years. And even if we win, I get this thing back and the license gets reinstated. And then I got to deal with the state, who is going to be all over me for the rest of my life.
Even if he gained Albert's return, he worried about his health.
Bringing the alligator out of a situation he's been in for 2 years, I don't know how good that is for him.
He decided enough was enough.
And Tony's 2 years older, he's 66, and he doesn't really want to have to deal with the state all the time in his backyard. So I think it was a combination of things.
Here's another thing. Albert may not be the only one living the remainder of his life out of state.
He doesn't like how he was treated by the state, and I don't blame him. And I don't think he wants to, live here and give them his tax revenue anymore. So that's his choice, but he feels he was mistreated by the government.
We have reached out to both the state DEC, which seized the animal, and the state attorney general's office, which represented the DEC when this case went to court, for their comments. We haven't heard back from either yet. On your side in the studio, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Dave. Still to come.